Hello everyone and welcome to this AI Masterclass. Now, you might have looked at tons of different courses in AI. There might be courses on ChatGPT, there might be courses on Midjourney, there might be courses on something else. But then we wanted to create a course that you can use in your everyday life. Whether you are in education or in real estate or in finance or in banking or in any other role, as coder or IT or as manager, whatever it is, you should be able to apply AI in your daily life. That is the goal that we want to chase. And that is exactly what we are going to cover in this AI Masterclass. We shall look at ChatGPT, we shall look at Midjourney, we shall look at DALL-E 2, we shall look at different tools, but from an applications perspective. Whether you are in sales, marketing, design, product, research, content, you will find utility for these courses right from the word go. So, in the next 3 to 4 hours, we shall learn the intricacies related to AI. Me and Tushar will take you through the specifics with respect to how you can succeed using AI at your workplace. Remember, the goal is to apply AI in day-to-day life. A lot of people come to me and ask me, is my job going to get replaced because of AI? Well, I tell them back, hey, the world is not going to be just humans or just AI. The world is going to be a hybrid mix of the best of both worlds. Human and AI have to combine together to deliver better productivity and greater accuracy at workplace. This is exactly what I think will happen with respect to AI over a period of time. We shall see that evolve in the next 4 years. What we will have in this course is literally every month you will see some new content, some new updates, and that is what will ensure that this AI Masterclass becomes an essential companion at your workplace to succeed and to grow as a professional. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now, in the first chapter, we are going to study the concepts and the evolution of generative AI. One second. What does generative AI mean? Generative AI means an AI that can generate content. So far, whatever we have built as humans is all about humans generating the content and computer processing the content. Generative AI is literally the first large-scale application of computing intelligence, wherein computers themselves can generate content. And that is exactly what generative AI is. What we learn is how to use these powerful tools that generate generative AI, how they have been developed over time, and understand their potential impact on various industries. Now, let's go and start from the basics. Generative AI models are trained to create new content. They can generate text, they can generate images, audio, and more. The applications of generative AI include content creation, data synthesis, and problem solving. Now, before we get started with the applications of AI, it's important to understand the history. Earlier, before the current LLMs or the large-scale language models got mainstream, the early models of generative AI included something called as RNNs and LSTMs. These could be called as the previous versions of the algorithm. Now, what would they do? They were literally the building blocks of what we see today as LLM, large-scale language model. In fact, ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4.0, all of these are versions of an LLM too. What really created a disruption in these RNNs and LSTMs is the rise of the transformer architectures. In these transformer architectures, again, there were two streams, GPT and BERT, B-E-R-T. When it comes to these architectures, the latest advancements of these transformer architectures and their versions are respectively called GPT-4, DALL-E 2 and Midjourney. Now, where is generative AI literally getting used every day, even now in the real world. I would say generative AI is getting used in marketing and advertising. It has transformed marketing and advertising by creating targeted, engaging content and generating new ideas for campaigns. This has led to improved customer experiences and increased efficiency for businesses. Now, let me give you an example. I was trying out how I could engage with audiences in Indonesia. Earlier, this process involved me creating something, giving it to my translation team, they reviewing it, creating the translations into Bhasa, giving me back, and then my design team and my digital marketing team implementing those campaigns on Google, Facebook, and other ad networks. This process used to take nearly 5 to 6 days. But now, with generative AI, I can get the content translated literally in real time at the snap of my finger. Isn't it wonderful? I would say not only wonderful, it is revolutionary. This is how generative AI has changed our life. Now, I want you to try it out right now. Quickly go on to ChatGPT and explore the history of generative AI by researching the key milestones and breakthroughs. Then share your findings with the course community and discuss the potential future developments in the fields as well. You can discuss in the comment section below. Now that we have introduced what generative AI is, we will dive deeper into key generative AI models such as GPT-3, GPT 3.5, GPT-4, DALL-E 2 and Midjourney and explore their unique capabilities. Stay tuned.